Hello everyone, I am Trang Chi, an artist from Vietnam. I started my art journey with watercolor, but lately I have fallen in love with gouache, especially for painting vintage style florals. And welcome to my new class, Gouache for Beginners. Level up your skills with magic rose gardens. Roses are a favorite for many artists, but they can be challenging to paint. Don't worry, I will guide you step by step from practice drills for stems, leaves, and petals to creating a magical rose garden as our final class project. This class is a little bit more challenging than my daisies and forget-me-nots classes. So if you are completely new to gouache, you may want to check those out first. Now let's get started and bring some blooming roses to your sketchbook.